From me a DJ till now. Me are the greatest dancehall DJ Jamaica ever see. Me are the longest reigning DJ in a dancehall. We're still popular until now. And you ever hear them call me and give me an award? No, they can't give me no award. Because my title bigger than the award. And me I Dan Gargan. No more.
So hold on. So in addition to all of that, the dancehall side and the rough side, obviously the Ninja Man, is there a softer side to you though? Is there like a lady side?
You want to see when me and my wife apart?
No. When you and your wife, tell us what happened. Tell us a little bit about the softer side of you.
You see, my softer side is not talking. Actions speak louder than words.
Okay, all right. All right.
Tell us something about you that will shock. Like if they find out about it, they'll say, really?
My teeth foul.
Oh, you mean?
What's it now and for our international audience who off the bat they don't know what a foul is. What is a foul?